Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to why gold never tarnishes has finally been explained. Picture ancient gold coins and jewelry, still blazing with pure luster after centuries, while iron crumbles into rust and silver darkens. Researchers at Tulane University just revealed the mind-blowing secret isn't only gold's chemistry, but the way its surface atoms rearrange themselves into protective patterns. In a study published in Physical Review Letters, Matthew Montemore, Associate Professor in Chemical Engineering in Tulane School of Science and Engineering, and co-author Santu Biswas, a postdoctoral fellow in Tulane's Department of Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering, used computer simulations to show that for two of the most common gold surface types, the atoms naturally shift, creating an atomic scale barrier that makes oxygen reactions extremely difficult. Without that rearrangement, oxygen molecules could split apart and attack the metal far more easily. Instead, the reorganized surfaces reduce those reactions by a factor of 1 billion to 1 trillion, letting gold stay shiny almost indefinitely. Montemore put it perfectly. People have generally thought gold doesn't tarnish simply because it doesn't interact strongly with oxygen. What we show is that for two of the most common gold surface types, the surface atoms actually rearrange themselves in a way that makes the gold much more resistant to oxidation. And here's the game changer for clean energy and manufacturing. Gold-based catalysts already produce vinyl acetate for plastics and could clean carbon monoxide from exhaust or make propylene oxide, yet that same oxygen resistance limits them. As Montemore notes, if you can trick gold into dissociating oxygen, it can actually become a very effective catalyst for certain reactions. Our work suggests a new strategy for potentially doing that by preventing or reversing these surface rearrangements. Watch the atoms dance into hexagonal shields while oxygen bounces away helplessly. Then imagine engineers flipping that geometry to supercharge industrial reactions. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, hype, share and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.